Do you know that your land and buildings are legacy assets, which you can preserve and pass down from one generation to the other? To be honest, many property owners only think of wills when they want to transfer their properties to their beneficiaries. This is simply because people are not aware that the beneficiary of a property in a will must obtain letters of probate from the court before having the right and legal standing to deal with the property or sell the property to generate income. Before giving your beneficiaries property in a will, do you know how long it would take your beneficiaries to obtain letter of probate from any of the state high courts in Nigeria? If you knew this, you will be determined to seek out other options to achieving the transfer of your property to your beneficiaries seamlessly. The question now is, what other options are there for you? You should actually consider putting the property in a trust. As a property owner, putting your property in a trust helps you to avoid probate at the time of transfer or distribution of the property to your beneficiaries when you must have passed on. Note that the property is vested in the trustee company, which means the property is no longer in your name but in the name of the trustee, whom you will mandate through a trust deed to transfer the property to your beneficiaries at a certain date in the future. You could also mandate the trustee company to hold the property for the benefit of the members of the family or beneficiaries till a certain period of time. Please note that the property can first be held in the name of a company, and you can make the trustee a shareholder in that company. This just avoids having the trustee company's name directly on the property document. It also avoids cumbersome registration process at the lands registry of a state at the time of transferring the property to the beneficiaries, which is known as assent. As a matter of fact, the trustee company would administer the property and in most cases utilize funds from the income generated by the property to take care of the welfare of the beneficiaries, like pay their school fees and upkeep. Setting up a trust helps you achieve a seamless transfer of the property to your beneficiaries without the trouble of probate. The fear most people have in Nigeria, from what I have seen, is that trust companies may convert trust properties to their own use and gain at the expense of the beneficiaries. Even though this is understandable, but it is actually not obtainable in practice, and there are ways to ensure that such never happens. That is a topic for another day actually. After watching this video, please feel free to drop a message and I will respond as quick as I can to help you start the journey to having an estate plan that ensures a seamless transfer of your property to your beneficiaries. Always remember, an unplanned estate is a potential chaos being nurtured by you today. I am the estate planning attorney.